My name is Clark Van Gilder. I am presently a physics professor, and I am also the assistant pastor of Calvary Chapel, Maricopa.
What impact does the Big Bang Theory have on Christians?
Apologetics. And theology. Apologetics and theology go together real nice. The Big Bang Theory first, what does it say? It doesn't say that the universe began with an explosion. Sir Frederick Hoyle was talking with a journalist in the late 40s, I believe, and he just jokingly, in trying to explain the expansion of the universe from what they call the singularity, the point where there was no point, no space-time, matter, energy. He called it a Big Bang because he was kind of a joker, and you got to be careful what you tell reporters. And it stuck. And most physicists and astronomers don't really appreciate the Big Bang because it communicates an idea that isn't what we think is true about that cosmology. And so first, it's not an explosion, it's an expansion. Think of a balloon inflating, except the initial point of that inflation, there was no balloon. That's hard to think about. And so that's what the Big Bang is, and what that means is that there was a point, and I hate to say a point in time, but there was a point in time where there wasn't any. All right, the time before time, if you want to, but even that is a difficult thing to imagine. But space and time together came into existence. There was nowhere and there was no thing. It wasn't that the universe was created out of nothing, as if nothing was in a bucket and you could get a scoop of nothing and make something with it. I mean, there wasn't a universe. There wasn't space, time, matter, energy, and then God said, "Let there be light," and that's what it was. Guess what the Big Bang Theory posits? The universe began with light. Interesting. The Bible says the universe began with light. The first thing God did was He said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And then the creation account moves forward. And so the Big Bang Theory is one of the best friends to Christian theology from the field of science, probably in the history of history. But lots of Christians, especially from a young earth viewpoint, will discount it because they want to assume that what comes with the Big Bang Theory, where the universe is billions of years old, you necessarily accept Darwinian evolutionary theory. And that's false. It just, the best you could squeeze out of the Big Bang Theory and how long it took for the universe to come to its present state was that you have a place where evolution could happen. But by no means is it a place where evolution must happen by natural means. In fact, it's impossible by natural means to get the organic life to arise out of anything, much less a pond somewhere that gets zapped by lightning or heat or something. And so the Big Bang Theory is a marvelous friend to Christian theology because it says exactly what the first verse of the Bible declares to us. At least, well, it says everything except God was there.